Meet Bilingual Book Walks from Syncretic Press. 16 panel stories that take reading for a walk across your school. Indoors, they turn hallways, libraries, and common spaces into quiet little story journeys, meeting students where they are and inviting them to read, talk, and discover together. Every title is bilingual and created with award-winning authors and illustrators, celebrating culture and language while connecting to ELA, science, social studies, art, and SEL. Schools can buy or rent stories, and districts can share and rotate collections, so more kids see more books without breaking the budget. Outdoors, they get everyone moving. Choose sturdy metal or treated wood displays. Or go fence-mounted frames when space is tight. Across formats, bilingual book walks help build early bilingual literacy, strengthen comprehension, and expand vocabulary. Setups are tailored to you, permanent or pop-up, inside or out, even portable for special events. Everything is weather-resistant, easy to install, and built to last. Turn your campus into a place where stories live in every shared space. Curious how it could look at your school or across your district? Contact Syncretic Press. We'd love to help plan your next book walk.